Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily and very quickly add absolutely any music to your Instagram story. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video, write comments after watching, and let us get started with you. So friends, please open the Instagram app on your device. And then you're gonna have to swipe from the left side to the right side to go to create a story. That's how it's going to go like this. You're going to go to create a story. And this is where you can either just take a photo or you can take a video. If you hold down this button, or you can select some photo or video from the gallery. To do that, click right here. Next, select any photo you want. And now friends, in order to add music, you can see at the top that there is this kind of melody icon. Yes, you can click on it. Or if you don't have it, then you may need to click on the three dots in order to find the music. Or you can click on this second smiley face here. And that's where you'll easily find the music as well. Click on that. And here, friends, you can see a list of music on Instagram. To listen to it, you can click on these buttons. So you will listen to the music and choose the one that you like. And when you choose the music, you just have to click on the name of the song. Also, friends, if you're looking for a particular song or band or artist, then you can enter the name of the song or artist in the search box, and you can specifically search for what you need. So when you find that song that you like, click on it. And here, friends, you can choose several features for your music. First of all, you can choose the time. If you click right here, you can choose the time, how long your music will last. But you'll only be able to choose the time to the photo, and the maximum time, as you can see, is 15 seconds. Now, folks, you can move your music around to the section of the song that you prefer. You can also choose here how you want the music to appear on your story, such as a photo. You can toggle and choose the type of music. Or you can put just music. But there will be no text or image. And after you've done everything you need to do, just click Done. Next, you can move your music to wherever you want if you left some image. After that, just click Your Story. And this way, you will have your Instagram story with your music published. This is the very simple and quick way, friends, you can easily add music to your Instagram story. I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please leave your likes, also write your comments and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.